Good morning! Woo! This is going to be a slightly different episode. I'm coming at you from my daily driver, which is an absolutely flogged out BMW, which I'm actually going to have to sell shortly to try and fund the Naughty 40 2.0 build. But that doesn't matter. This video is going to be slightly different because this is just basically going to be a little day in the life. I have got a lot of running around to do. I'm also catching up with a good friend of mine, and he's got some sick rigs, and I want to show you them. So first up, I am rushing to the Telstra store because my phone hasn't worked for 24 hours and it's really giving me the shits. Then I gotta go to the bank. After that, head back home, link up with the camera crew, and then we're actually meeting up with Andy from Andy's Addiction. He recently came away on a trip with us. He's got some sick cars, so we're gonna go have a poke around his garage. Also, before I do any of that shit to talk about, start your day with coffee or you're a weirdo. That is a nice long black. I need them to live. And also, fun fact, I can't drink milk. So yeah, there's a bit of a beta fact about me. Yeah, if I drink milk, my guts explodes. We are here at the Telstra store. Now, for you guys playing along at home, if you're a full driver, are you into Telstra or not? Because I find that these guys are the only place you get reception pretty much anywhere, so worth it.
2 seconds later.
Well, my stupid ass forgot to pay my phone bill, so that's why that didn't stop working, whatever. Anyway, fixed up. Hold on, I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. Hello? Oh, there's no traffic, so quick. All right, we're buckled up. Safety first is that's what I always say. Quick Yui. All right, we're good to go. Bank done, Telstra done. Quickly rush home, chuck on some clothes, head to meet up with Emmanuel, and then go see Andy. What a mad box. Controversial opinion, the cheaper the car, the more fun it is to thrash. The camera crew beat me here. Go ahead. Hello. Say hello to the vlog. Say hello to the vlog. Ah! Look at this guy with a haircut. Your girlfriend must be pleased. Lack of haircut, this guy. Looking like a Bohemian Jesus.
Hey, what's that thing over there? What's that red dragon?
Huh? That thing?
That red dragon.
That thing behind my hand,
yeah.
The people can't know yet. There is something there. Should we show them the front? Nah. You don't get to see. We're running late, but that's okay, because I ain't going to get another coffee. Suckers. Andy, I'm sorry. We'll see you soon, I promise. We're here, one of my favourite cafes. I have two. One does good coffee, one does good food. So it's hard to decide. But I'm hungry, so we're going to Chaos. Favourite cafe down here. I'm getting a brekkie wrap like I do pretty much every morning. And that's probably my tip to keeping a physique like mine. Obviously, it's hard work. You just want to make sure you eat till the cows come home. It's like a friggin' everything is. All right. Ow. Yummy. Yum yum yum. You want to have a bite? If you're playing along at home, have a bite. What do you got? Yum. Oh, my napkin again. This is a disaster. We're getting close to Andy's. Now, Andy has come on a few trips with us. Was working at PVS for a while. He's got quite the car collection here. Now, he's halfway through doing up his garage, I think. So, we'll just give you a little sneak peek today. But he's got some cool stuff. We're almost there. And we're going to go and say hello. And then run some errands with him and do all the things. Almost missed our turn. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I see a 76.
You do.
Where should we park? Just here?
Yeah, that's fun.
We've come to pick up the new diff for the Naughty 40 2.0. This one here. No, kidding. We just came to take the dog. So. We're here to have a look at elder cars. He's got quite a few cars here that I like.
And Bentley can show us.
Bentley's going to take us on a tour. You little squashed face boys. It's like Garfield equivalent of a dog.
Oh, he just had a wash and now all the hair is on me.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. What a rig. I reckon I literally said in the vlog on the way here, I was like, cheap old cars is the most fun you can have for thrashing. Like my daily Beamer, like just like limiter, don't care. Loves it. Same as the old Celica I had, like you just rummage it 24/7 and I loved it. And because you can beat on them and you're not going to be going 300 k's an hour. Like you can slam throw gears at it and you're only doing 60.
Well, this, I was coming back from work one day and it was a bit wet. And I was just giving it to it. And a mate was behind me and I was going around a roundabout and it just kicked out.
Yeah.
And it like, when you catch it, it's just fun. Because it just
so
spins the
good.
wheels because it's like 100 kilos.
Yeah, literally like 0 weight.
Yeah.
Imagine designing a car and being like, you know how big the headlight needs to be? The size of a bowling ball. Like, I don't even know what I'm looking at. Andy said it's got a V12 in it, which is kind of hot. Ah, lots of spidey webs. I'm scared, Andy. I'm scared. Ah, what car? What is this? Like, what car am I looking at right now?
It's a 1933 Cadillac.
33.
Yeah.
This is almost 100 years old.
Yeah.
This is 89.
Mm-hmm.
Behind this door is. Everyone's got a garage door like this at home, and if you don't, well. With a hand.
Yes, please.
I've heard lots about this car. Yummy, yum, yum. Sick.
It needs a bit of a clean.
You guys probably all know what this is. If you don't, you're probably living under a rock. These are like the baby GTiR, all-wheel drive Pulsar, SR20, but east-west mounted instead of like in a Sylvia where it's north-south. Super, super sick. This particular one is built motor.
Yes.
Yeah, built motor, just waiting on a tune and that sort of thing. But this thing's gonna have like 300 kilowatt or something like that.
Yeah.
Which in a car that weighs all
Yes.
and all-wheel drive, like that slaps. That's hot. And these 5 years ago were like a 15 grand car.
Yeah.
Now they're like.
I'm not telling you how much.
Now they're
It's fun.
now they're stupid money. So
Yeah.
and this particular one's mad. Bright interior, buckets, caged.
Wide body kit.
Yeah, hot.
Custom steering wheel.
Yeah. And these boys here, these make me happy as well. Hello. We have to go and get some things for Andrew. Put this here as I get into my Recaro. Oh, look at that. This is a high girl.
Yeah.
Big old donkey. Hello, internet. This wasn't in a short while ago. Still no center console, but to be fair, 76s are so basic on the interior.
Oh yeah.
That could be factory.
It could be.
What else have we done? Standard head unit,
Yeah.
but you've done PBS wheel,
Yeah.
sound deadened everything
Yeah, like to the max.
to the max, custom roof lining.
Yep.
What else have we done?
Custom door trims.
Ooh. To match the seats we're sitting on, which are Recaros. Yum, 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 yum. Recaro rears as well, which is kind of hot. Very tasty.
Yeah. And then I can't find a good rear drawer setup,
Interesting.
so I might have to make my own.
Yeah, I think you should. Look at you over there, neglected girl. Poor thing. And then under this car is lots of fruit as well. Coil converted superior kit, so it's like what, 5-inch 35s or 4-inch 35s?
It's like a 4-inch 35 kit, but when you actually measure it, comparing it to a friend's J-Max kit,
Yeah.
it's more like 5-inch.
Yeah, it's a high little thing.
Yeah.
And like, as you can probably see there, very wide, which is cool. So track corrected rear with the diamond diff housing, coil converted, 35s, engineered, legal as this particular 76 factory twin locked as well, which is hot.
Yep.
Oh, we wanted left there, but that's okay. I got distracted. Fix yourself. Yeah, left at the end here. Sorry, mate. We missed our turn.
Bloody Sydney.
Trying to find a car park that can accommodate a big 76 is hard work. Fingers crossed. The f***ing shoe mark on the dog.
Wow.
Bentley.
Bentley, boo.
You're picking up the new iPhone. Woo!
Finally.
Finally. How long have you been waiting?
So I came here like, I don't know, 6 weeks ago, and I was like, oh yeah, I need a new phone. They're like, yeah, no worries, we'll let you know when it's in. I've been to Queensland like 4 times up and back, and then they finally messaged me and they haven't stopped harassing me to come pick it up. So yeah, now's the day.
Happy days. I also need a new phone, but I'm putting it off because I have no money. And then I think we'll get some lunch. I don't know what the boys are feeling. Anything?
Anything. Has to be down.
On me. You got the goods. Happy boy. We're gonna go find something to eat now, I think. So, I don't know what. Head back to the beach, get out of this shopping centre, and go have some yummy food. Yeah, we're going back to Fraser, then Morton. We're just gonna live on the road forever. It's a big fan for a small shop. Couldn't ask for better weather if we tried. Absolute glamour. Welcome to Bondi, folks, the land of the... Oh, I've never seen one of those. Taliban Town 79. This is chaos. This is just Bondi at the best of times. No parking. Are these people going? Should we staunch them until they go?
Yeah, they're going.
Look, the next to an I-8. Controversial opinion, Bondi is actually a shit beach and you only come here if you're a tourist. Making enemies today. Bondi Beach. Honestly, you don't really come here unless there's a special occasion, and our special occasion is lunch with Andy. Also, just quickly, what in the... I don't know, mate, what to make of this. The sparkly paint. Out of control. So we're here at Salty's in Bondi, and this is a pretty lit little spot for lunch, I think. We've got a view of the ocean, good people watching here. Nice table, out of the sun. Ticks all the boxes. There's nothing I like more than a box that's been ticked, you know? Oh, Jesus. Oh, Taco Tuesday.
And is it Tuesday? It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, it's Tuesday. Oh, we know what day it is. Cheers, gorgeous.
Cheers.
Don't mind if I do.
These tacos.
Well, you're going to hang out here, I think, for a few more hours.
Yeah, I've got a mate up in Bondi. I'm going to hang out with him.
Oh, must be nice.
Yeah.
I've got a gun full of cider. I'm going to go and try and do some work at home, I think, while the day is still sort of young, and I'll probably leave you to it, bro.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good to see you. And
I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Thanks for joining.
No worries.
Yo. Now, we're going to go and do some proper work, send Andy on his way, and we'll catch you guys next week.